I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have a professional account. Now open the Instagram app and go straight to your profile. Tap the specific reel or video post you want to analyze. This is the only place to begin. Once the video is open, look for the 3 dots or the Insights button beneath the post. Tap to reveal metrics. This step starts the data view because Instagram ties analytics per post. Make sure you're on the same account where the video was posted, otherwise metrics won't appear. Once you access Insights, read the headline numbers. Plays, accounts reached, likes, comments, shares, these tell you reach and engagement. Then check watch time and average view duration because they indicate content retention. Higher averages mean the algorithm favors your clip. Compare reach versus plays to see discovery effectiveness and watch saves or shares to understand value and virality. Make sure to scroll to demographic and source data. They explain who saw it and whether discovery came from home, explore. Now act on what the data shows. Record baseline metrics and track weekly changes because patterns reveal what works. Test specific edits. Change the thumbnail, tighten the first 3 seconds, tweak captions and hashtags, then recheck performance to isolate effects. If you don't see insights, troubleshoot. Make sure you're on a creator or business account, confirm the app is updated, and log out then back in. Sometimes one simple refresh restores metrics. If problems persist, try another.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.